Waking up to a cold shower. If your Baxi boiler is flashing an E-50 error code, don't panic. At Boilers2Go, we're here to help you understand exactly what's gone wrong and how to fix it. In simple terms, the E-50 code means there's a breakdown in communication regarding your hot water temperature. It specifically points to a fault with the domestic hot water NTC thermistor sensor. The first main cause is a defective thermistor that can no longer monitor the water temperature accurately. Secondly, damaged or corroded wiring between the sensor and the control board can trigger the fault. Finally, a faulty printed circuit board, or PCB, might be failing to process the temperature signals. Because these fixes involve gas and internal electrics, you must hire a gas-safe registered engineer. They will test the resistance of the thermistor and check the wiring for continuity to find the exact issue. If your boiler is old, the E-50 code might be a sign it's time to consider a more efficient replacement. For more expert boiler and heating advice, subscribe to Boilers2Go today. Stay warm out there.